Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact travel lock you have, because installation steps differ by type. Once you know the model, measure the door gap and frame clearance so you can position the device accurately. Now unpack parts and keep the small screws and tools in a tray. Start by placing the lock's main body against the door edge, aligning the bracket with the frame. This first positioning determines whether the lock will seat and hold under pressure. Next, attach the mounting plate or clamp while keeping screws finger tight so you can fine-tune alignment. You should adjust the strap or bar length so it meets the strike plate evenly. Uneven contact causes failure. Tighten screws a quarter turn at a time and recheck the fit, because gradual torque prevents misalignment. If the lock uses a wedge, angle it until the door presses firmly but not deformed. This step ensures secure engagement and reliable holding force. Finish by fully tightening all fasteners and then testing the door with normal use and a firm shove, simulating a forced entry. Make sure keys or combinations operate smoothly and keep the spare key or tool in an alternate bag. Once done, store the lock case and note any adjustments. If the lock doesn't engage, one key troubleshooting tip: recheck the door gap and reseat the mounting plate. Loosen screws, realign the parts. Then red-item in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.